Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart here at 12 Bridges Elementary School here in Lincoln, California. And it was a beautiful day. Obviously the sun is shining, so grateful for that. But just to share my heart with the 4th and 5th graders here at the school today. And the whole talk was about bullying, but more importantly, seeing people for their heart before anything else. Like the shirt says, one race human. We see people as human beings before anything, first and foremost. And I had a number of students come up to me afterwards to share their heart with me. One girl that said she was born a little bit different than some of her friends, but she really didn't let it affect her. There's a lot of opinions out there, but they don't all matter. What matters is we know our worth and our own value, and our true friends accept us for who we are, that appreciate us on the inside and for what's on the outside. And just how our M is on all of our palms, etched on all of our palms. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. That we believe that and help others see that too. And a couple other cool stories that I heard similar in nature were from a few students that said they were kind of alone on recess or at lunch, but a student came up to them and included them, made them feel like they're worth everything. And now they're making it their job to go and do the same. So that kindness was shown to them, it healed their heart. Now they're taking it a step further as responsible people of this planet to spread that compassion, the empathy, and the kindness. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Peace.